Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Motorola Moto G14, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. On the third place in my top is original Motorola launcher. It's really great. I trust to this launcher because it's stable. It's really stable launcher. I have no lags or bugs here. It looks great, it's minimalistic and looks great. It looks like original Android launcher, and it's really cool. So we don't need to do something to improve this launcher. No, it's launcher just great, lightweight and cool. On the second place in my top is Niagara launcher. Oh, Niagara, so sorry, Smart Launcher 6. Open it, go back, and here as you can see we have Smart Launcher. Smart Launcher is really great launcher. It's because our launcher have automatically apps grouping feature, so when you download the apps, your applications are automatically grouping by groups, and it looks great, it works great, and it's really handy. Here in the launcher settings we have a lot of wallpapers we can download and install, and it's completely for free, but unfortunately here we have paid options, and we need to pay to create our own groups, not the default groups in the main menu, but our own groups. We need to pay to use live wallpapers and to use the other icon packs. And of course, the price of these options are not big, so we can pay for it. It's not expensive, but I can't locate this launcher on the first place because this is the top of free launchers. Okay, so on the first place is Niagara launcher. It's just because Niagara launcher is very fast. So it's one of the fastest launcher I have ever seen. And if you feel that your smartphone is slower, or if you feel that your smartphone is slowing down, I suggest you try this launcher. So really, just try Niagara launcher. It can change the game, because here you can add your favorite apps. That is cool, but any application you want to find, you can find by one move with your finger. So for example, you want to find the Play Store is here. You want to find the, I don't know, phone application is always here. You want to find the YouTube is here. You want to find the Google Assistant, so Google here, Assistant is here. So great, it's very good launcher, and I hope you will like it if you will try. And that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.